Hi everyone! Today we'll learn how to crochet this square, a super easy motif with color changes. This is a beginner-friendly project and I'll be walking through it step by step with you using all the stitches. Today I'll be using medium weight acrylic yarn, a 3mm crochet hook and scissors. Okay, so let's get started. We start the motif with a magic ring. To do that, I hold my yarn like this. I wrap the yarn around my fingers in this way, creating an X shape. I insert my hook under the first strand of yarn like this, grab the other strand, and gently pull it through. I slowly remove my fingers from inside the circle. We try not to let the circle lose its shape. I hold the yarn correctly and hold the part of the circle where the strands cross. Go ahead and make 3 chain stitches. And crochet 2 double crochets. Together with my 3 chains, I now have a total of 3 double crochets. I make 2 chain stitches. Again, into the magic ring, I crochet 3 double crochets. When I crochet the third double crochet, I stop at this point and pick up my yarn in the other color. You can use any colors you like. I am using white. I take the yarn and pull it through here. I make 2 chain stitches. And once again crochet 3 double crochets into the magic ring. Two chains, then 3 double crochets, when I crochet the last double crochet, I again leave the final 2 loops on the hook. I pull the tail of the magic ring tight, close the ring, put down the white yarn and pick up the other color again. I complete this section in this way. Go ahead and make 1 chain stitch. We will hold the white yarn at the back like this and carry it hidden until we reach the next row. I yarn over the hook and insert it into the top of the third chain here, pulling up a loop. I make 1 half double crochet. I make 3 chain stitches. Into the space directly below, I crochet 2 double crochets. I make 2 chain stitches. Into the next space, I crochet 3 double crochets. 2 chains, and again into the same space 3 double crochets. I make 2 chain stitches. Again, into the next space, I will crochet 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and 3 double crochets. From here, we begin crocheting the pattern. We will crochet over the tops of the double crochets. Without making any chains, I yarn over and insert the hook into the top of the double crochet next to it, like this. I pull up a loop. I have crocheted my first double crochet. I crochet 1 double crochet into the top of the next double crochet as well, and into the corner space I again crochet 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and 3 double crochets. Again, I will work double crochets over my double crochets. And into the corner space I crochet 3 double crochets, and into the corner space I crochet 3 double crochets. This completes the row. Make 1 chain stitch, yarn over and insert the hook into the 3rd chain. I make 1 half double crochet. We have completed the 2nd row. We move on to the 3rd row. For this, I again make 3 chain stitches. Into the space directly below, I crochet 2 double crochets. Two chains. Into the next space, 3 double crochets. Again, 2 chains. Into the next space, which is the corner, I crochet 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and 3 double crochets. Two chains. Into the next space, 3 double crochets. Again, 2 chains. Into the next space, I'll crochet 3 double crochets. While crocheting the 3rd double crochet, I leave the last 2 loops on the hook and change my yarn color back to white. 2 chains. Again, into the same space, 3 double crochets. We continue again over the tops of the double crochets. In this section, we crochet 1 double crochet into each double crochet, leaving spaces in the remaining sections. In this way, 1 double crochet into each double crochet, I have reached the corner again. Into the corner, 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets. We turn the corner in this way. And in this section, we continue straight, crocheting 1 double crochet into each double crochet until we reach the next corner. I have reached the end, and at the end, I again crochet 3 double crochets into the final space. Here, I change the yarn color again. I make 1 chain stitch, wrap the yarn around the hook, insert the hook into the top of the 3rd chain, and then make 1 half double crochet. The 3rd row of my motif is complete. Again, we keep the white yarn underneath our work. Go ahead and make 3 chain stitches. Into the space, I crochet 2 double crochets, 2 chains. Into the next space, 3 double crochets, in this way, 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets, and in the corner also 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets into the same space. In this section, we'll be working double crochets again. I will crochet 1 double crochet into each double crochet across. When I reach the corner, I will crochet 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and 3 double crochets. Then I will continue working 1 double crochet into each stitch until I reach the end of the row. I have reached the end of the 4th row. Let's move on to the 5th row. Again, I make 3 chain stitches into the space directly below. I crochet 2 double crochets, 2 chains. Into the next space, I crochet 3 double crochets, 2 chains. We continue in this way, working 2 chains, 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and 3 double crochets. In the corner, we crochet 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and 3 double crochets into the same space. I have reached this section. Again, I crochet 3 double crochets into the space. Again, I change the yarn color. Two chains. Into the same space, I crochet 3 double crochets. When I get to this section, I continue by doing regular double crochet stitches on top of regular double crochet stitches. The row continues in the same way. Work this section, then make the increase in the corner and continue crocheting 1 double crochet into each stitch with the white yarn until the end of the row. I have reached the end of my 5th row. Again, at the end of the row, I change the yarn color. Go ahead and make 1 chain stitch, then join. Once again, I crochet the final row. 3 chain stitches into this space, 2 double crochets, 2 chains, into the next space, 3 double crochets. Two chains, into the next space, 3 double crochets. I continue the pattern in this way until the end of the row, or rather, until I reach this section. When I reach this section, I continue by crocheting regular double crochets over the tops of the regular double crochets all the way to the end of the row. I have reached the end of the row and make 1 chain stitch. I make my joining stitch. One chain stitch, and I cut the yarn. Weave the remaining yarn into the back of the motif. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one.